Great students make great employees when they understand what's expected of them from the workforce. Levy County Schools' career and technical education programs get students off on the right foot by providing a sound foundation for future success.
The Administrative Office Specialist program provides students with an opportunity to learn basic business skills, as well as the value of support roles in the corporate world. This program also is ideal for students who have yet to decide on a career path, because it provides core training in a variety of useful subjects, such as basic computer skills, software training, and the safe and ethical use of the internet to locate information. Students who participate in this program are eligible to earn industry certificates in Microsoft Office and Adobe Creative Cloud programs, such as InDesign, Illustrator, and Photoshop.
To learn more about our programs and how they can help you get on the path to success, contact the Levy County Schools Career and Technical Education Program.